Hi, Ashok. How are you? Hi, good evening to all. How are you?
Good, Anna.
Let me share. Yeah, good evening. How are you, guys? Is there any questions from last two classes? I hope you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes,
What was the two last classes? First one is what is the SharePoint? How to get the SharePoint access to your trial instances? What is the Power Apps? How many types of Power Apps are available in this Power Platform? And what is major difference between the Power App, Canvas app, and Model Driven app? Then I give the small how will you use the Power Apps in the market. That is the first class. Second class is Canvas app development. Canvas app functions and controls. We had three functions I explained. One is submit form function. Second is reset form function. Third one is navigate form function. And other than that, submit form, reset form, navigate form, I gave the two important controls which is available in the Canvas app development. Those are form control, and second one is gallery control. What is the use of form control? Inserting the data to your SharePoint or data source. That purpose, we are able to use the form control. What is the gallery control? By using the gallery control, we are able to see display or showing the data which is available in the our SharePoint connector. That is the major difference between the gallery and form. Form only able to deal with only at a time one record, whereas gallery were able to deal with more than one record at a time. Okay, that is the last classes. Now, today classes I am going to teach one more important topic. Name is new user login with username and password. For example, if you want to log in is any application, say by using only username password, right? What is the purpose of the Power Apps? We are able to develop the custom application as per our business requirement based upon our needs, right? So in this scenario, at the time, if you want to log in custom application, you should be login procedure, right? Login screen, right? There's a two types of login screen available. One is user and password. Second one is OTP also. Now I'm going to teach today how to log in with your custom application with yourself of username and password. See, username and password. Instead of in order to implementing the username and password login with your custom application, first I need to get the SharePoint application. So, username and password are available But if you want to log in with username and password into a custom application, should we use the one list which is available in the SharePoint? I show you. So instead of wasting my time, already I created one list the SharePoint. I tell you one thing. I hope you're able to see my screen, right? Yeah. Today I created one more list which is belongs to the our employee onboarding site. You know, right, how to create a site. So once created onboarding, then I created today registered employees. So in the registered employees, I created a employee name, file number, email, username, and password. Why? Because we are going to create a one custom application which is used to needs to be logged in with username and password. That is the reason I created a one list which is belongs to the employee onboarding site of SharePoint. Now I go to practical session. So the list columns are employee name is single line of text, mobile is single line of text, email is single line of text and unique, username is single line of text and mandatory also. Password also single line of text and mandatory. I tell you one thing, what is unique, what is mandatory. Already you know, I guess. You know what is mandatory definition? Without the submitting the required field, mandatory field, the form could not be submitted from your user, right? See, our list. Employee name single line of text, mobile is single line of text, email is single line of text, but username and password should be required. Required means mandatory. That means without those fields filling, the form could not be submitted from a user or customer. That is the reason if you want to log in into the any custom application which is developed by any company or you should be logged in with password. That is the reason I make it a username and password is a mandatory. How can you make it as a mandatory? Simply open username and password. While creating see, I'm creating new column. Simply I show you. While creating the column, for example, salary. Let me take it salary. If you want to make it this column mandatory, should we go to the here. See, task requires this column contains information. If you make it a request, this is mandatory. If you make it a unique, it's also unique. Unique means avoiding the duplicate value. If you want to create a one record 001, want to try second time 001, that be accepted. That is the reason to avoiding the duplicate reason we are able to make it a unique. Okay. Now we go for the practical session quickly. Now, so after want to log in with username and password into the custom application, should be creative one custom one list in the SharePoint. Then how many ways we are able to create a list in the SharePoint? Blank list is able to create existing from existing list as with a and from the Excel also we are able to create list and CSV also we are able to create. This is the four ways are able to create a list in the SharePoint which is belongs to the SharePoint side. Okay. Now, now, now you are able to create a canvas of creation. I show you one practical session what I did it today. Okay? This is the way I created. See, okay. Once go to get start button, then go to new employee registration. After filling the data, tell me anyone. Ashok, Ashok at gmail.com. The name. Your registration has been done. Registration is successfully completed. Okay. So we need to be verify the our SharePoint. In the same way, we need to be create a new application today as well. Okay. Quickly, I will show you quickly. What is the first screen? Today we are going to create a at least 4 or 5 screens. See, first screen is welcome screen. Second screen is home screen. Third screen is sign up screen. Fourth screen is success screen. Fifth screen is login screen. These are the 5 screens we are going to create today in order to implementing the on Canvas application new login with username and password. Okay. What is the first screen? First screen is welcome screen. Under the welcome screen, what are the things I need to do? Be yeah. First screen is welcome screen, right? First screen is welcome screen. What are the things are there? One image is there, one text label is there, and get started button is there. So we'll start again. So I will start. Just now we'll create a new one. Add Now I need to be create one application quickly. For going to our application, we need to go to the solution. What is our solution? What is our solution which I created earlier? One month solution, right? So one month solution, and then we need to be creative one application which is belongs to the login custom Canvas app login screen. So application, new Canvas app. Maybe go to the format. Then I need to use user login app. Okay, create it. Okay. Now this is the screen, right? This is the screen. What is our first criteria? Something second. What I needs to be add one welcome screen. Under the welcome screen, one is image button, second one is text label button and button. Text label and last one is button. Under the image, we need to be add the level up, logo. Second one is label is trainings. Third one is get started. Okay, create same thing. Yeah. Now, in order to implementing the image of level up related one, we need to be get the image option first of all. Image. Set right the image. Before that, we need to be select a color blue. Then make it image button, image control. Once get the image button control, we need to be set right the as per our requirement. Okay. Then from there, how can I get the my level up image? Select the image control. Go to image property. Select here and click on the upload. Develop image. Click on it. Then you can set the as per our requirement. This is the way we need to be set your image. Okay, that is the image. Second one is I need to select one control. What is text label control, right? Why? What should I here? I need to be level up trainings. Place here one text label. Place here text label and make it a trainings. T space R space A space I space and space I space trainings. Make it middle and make it color as a white. As white. That is the second control also over. What is the third control? What is the third control in the first form, first screen? Anyone? What is the third control? Button, right? Get started button. Button, get started button. Get started button. Make it as a take it button from the control. Rename as a get Get started button. This is the first screen which is belongs to the welcome screen. So you need to be change the welcome screen. Today I am going to create a 5 screens. If this is the first screen. Three controls are over in the welcome screen. Next screen is home screen. Next screen is home screen. You name it. Again change the color as a blue. Okay. Then next screen. What is next screen here? What are things are available here? See here. Home screen, right? First screen is welcome screen. And second screen is home screen. Under the home screen, what are things here? Level up trainings, navigate to career path. These are the 3 text labels. First, we need to be create 3 text labels. Three text labels, right? Then I go for the same thing. Click 3 text labels. Go to, if you want to get the 3 text labels, go to text label. Yeah, change this text, level up. Level up. Then change the bold, make it middle, at least 45. Change 55 also. Okay. Then change the color of the text. Right. Okay. Then what is the next control? Same control, right? What is the next text here? Is 5 is enough size. Trainings. Develop training. E space R space A space I space training. Level up trainings. Next port. Port I need to give the one port for the level up. The level up trainings. Navigate to navigate career path. Navigate to career path. Navigate career path. Make it. What is the next one after 3 text controls? I need to go to again add 2 buttons. What are the 2 buttons? One is new employee registration. Second one is existing employee. Existing employee where will we use? After inserting the data from the Canvas app to the SharePoint by using new employee registration. Once completed new employee registration, we go for the existing employee login. For that purpose, I am using the 2 buttons. New employee registration is the 1 button. Existing employee login is the second button. Okay. Now I am going to use the 2 buttons. Same thing here. Here as well. Go to, how can I get the button? Go to button. Right. What is the new employee registration button? New employee registration. The first button. What is the purpose of the new employee registration? So if you want to log in into the your custom application, should be those record is available in the SharePoint. For that purpose, I'm creating the new employee registration. After entering the record from the Canvas app to the SharePoint with help of new employee registration button, then I need to log in with existing record, right? What is the existing employee login? I need to be create one more button is existing employee login. Change the value here. Existing employee login. Okay. This is the second button. You understanding, right? Where will we use the new employee registration, existing employee login? First, first time login, we are able to create new employee login registration first record. After creating the first record from the new employee registration button, then automatically data inserted from the Canvas up to the SharePoint. From there, we are able to log in, which is available already existing there. For that purpose, we are going to use the one more button that is the called existing employee login. Then, so for some time, if you want to provide any support in the online as well, at the time, call, WhatsApp support, call support, Instagram support, guidance, and Facebook also. So for that purpose, I'm going to add this four as well. Let us take an example. Is there an example? Some companies provided some services through call, through WhatsApp, through Instagram, Facebook also. At the time, they will provide those services in the Canvas application as well. If you want to add those services as well, so you need to be add those images in the Canvas application. How can I get these images into this app? Simply go to, if you want to get the call option, call support option, WhatsApp option, Instagram and Facebook. Before getting those application from this Canvas app, we need to be get the images. First image option. First go to the image option. Image control. To image, take it, adjust as per our requirement. Copy, all, paste WhatsApp, Instagram. Simply copy paste. I'm doing simply nothing. Instagram, paste. These are the ones placing the images. Then you can get those images. WhatsApp, call, Instagram, and paste. Simply go to the application images. Go to there is image properties there. Just click on this drop down. Click on upload. Then simply get those images from your local system. Now I'm going to use call one. Call one. We're able to get it. Same way, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. To select the image, go to image property, click on drop down, and click on upload. This next one, paste WhatsApp, right? Then same way, Instagram as well. Okay, click on, and simply this one as same thing. Before getting those images, you should be use the image control from Canvas app, inserting controls. Okay, so again simple code. We want to add those values, we are able to do it like this. See, you use the launch function. Today I'm going to teach one more function is launch function. See, we want to support, give the support from the uh, from your company to the customer, should we use the call. Want to provide support from the from the Canvas app, we should be use the launch function. By using the launch function only, we're able to provide support from our Canvas to our customer. See, this is the launch and telephone number. We need to give this is my number. This is the way we're able to here as well. Launch function, phone call to on select property, on select property, on select property, remove it, launch, this or any, you, L. Why? Because you are pasted in image, not property should be on select property. This is the way we need to be paste. Same thing you can use the all applications. You can follow the same thing. See, using this one, I'm using this one. You need to give the Instagram URL. You need to give the Facebook URL. Okay. Now I'll go for the quickly most information there. I mean, you can use like this. See, here's I created. Launch function telephone number. Launch function WhatsApp admin.me. You can use like this. Okay. Same way Instagram and Facebook. Okay. See the home screen done. This is the way we need to be created home screen. Anyway, no problem. Okay, leave it. Now second screen is, what is the third screen? Third screen is sign up screen. You need to be use the sign up screen. Second screen is, this is the way you need to be developed. Okay. Third screen is sign up screen. What are the things are available here? Sign up screen. Go for the sign up screen. See, employee registration is the one header for the sign up screen, and add the one control of the form control. Then we need to be add this some two buttons. One is reset button, second one is sign up button. And then we go already have an account and login button. These are the controls that needs to be added in this screen. So first point is new employee registration and form, two buttons. one text label, one button here as well. So go same thing we need to be go. We need to be create new one. You need to be set it after that. There is no time. Thank you. Sign up screen, rename it. Sign up screen. Make it color as a blue. Then needs to be add one header, right? What is the header name? Same thing we need to be add here as well. New employee registration, right? You can make it as a new employee registration header. New employee registration, new employee registration. You could change the differences. Size 35 is enough for us. New employee registration. Then I need to be add one control. What is the control? Form control, right? Should be add form control here as well. Then once adding the form, we should be get the control. We should be get the data which is available from the our SharePoint. What is our SharePoint list in the site? Anyone? How can I get the how can I get the SharePoint list from the SharePoint to Canvas app? Anyone? Could you please guide me? I added one control. Control name is form control, edit form control. I want to get the what are the details are available in the SharePoint list columns. I need to get. How can I get it? Anyone please guide me?
Using the data and fields.
Go to data. Good. Click on add data. SharePoint. SharePoint. Add connection. Connect. What is your list name? Site name? Onboarding, right? Onboarding site. Employee onboarding site. Under the employee onboarding site, already I created one registered employee list. Then select on that, click on connect. Once you are able to connect it on the list, automatically add the list columns to the canvas app from the SharePoint list. See, you're able to see all the columns are available in the SharePoint list. The SharePoint list name is registered employee. Okay. By default, content type field is added automatically, so should be deleted. How can I delete it? You can go to simply edit columns and remove the from here. Okay. This is the my list columns which are available in the SharePoint. How can I change the employee name, mobile, email, username, and password header? So should we go to the here? Then once go to the our text color should be change the white. Then only automatically change the header of the data card. Okay, quickly. Can't text color, make it white. We go to again. Text button, text color, click on white. Again, username as well. Click on username, text color, click on white again. The same way, we need to be changed to password as well. Okay. Then I need to be added two buttons. One button is, what is the button? One button is one button is reset button. Second button is sign up button. One button is reset button. Second one is sign up button. So sign up. First one is sign up. Second one is reset button. Reset. Okay. Then again, I need to be add one text control. What is the purpose of text control? Already I have an account. If we have any account, should we have a login button as well? Okay, simply place it here. Then need to be changed. Already is the option here. Already have an account. Okay. Already I have an. We have already an account. Should be make it a one login button as well. In the white color. Formatting taking time. With nice. Then I need to be add one more button. If we have any already an account, should be place it a one login button. Okay, copy this button, place it here. This time we need to be change the login. Okay. Okay. Done. What is the next one? Three screens are done. First screen is welcome screen. Level up training get started. Second one is home screen. Under the home screen, a level up trainings navigate career paths, new employee registration, existing employee login. We need to be set. Why? Because there is no time set right things. That is the reason I'm leaving. As per that, this one you are able to. In this way, we are able to place the your images. Okay. And third one is sign up screen. Under this sign up screen, we need to be make it a one header. The header name is new employee registration. Then I added one form control. After adding the control, I need to be set at the two buttons. One button is reset button. Second one is sign up button. Then I have a already have an account. If you have already an account, should be login instead of the sign up. So three screens are done. We go for the fourth screen. What is the fourth screen here? Success screen. So what are the success screens available here? See, home button, level up trainings. These are the way we are able to here. See, registration, login. Okay, make it. Make it a success screen. Level up trainings, success screen. Okay, go to no screen. Go to new screen, success screen. Make it success screen. Rename as a success screen. Click success screen. Then after adding the success screen, what are the controls that needs to be added here? Same needs to be followed from here. First, I need to be add the one home button and level up and training. These are the two text controls. See, go for simply way needs to be change the color as well. Same thing, blue color, and add the home button. If you want to add the home button, you can get it from here. Simply click on insert button, click on home, just drag and drop from here to here. Make it change the color as from blue color to and white color simply. Then I need to be add the two control. First control is level up. Second control is trainings. So for that purpose, I need to be get the one text label. See, make it yeah. First is level up, right? Make it change as a level up. Text by default, remove it. Level up. Make it as a level up. And then change the middle and sizes should be at least 50 to show higher level. Make it bold and make it as a white text. The same way, I need to be copy this control, pasted here. Then we need to be change the trainings. 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 Make it right. Then I need to be changes here. What should I change here? Registration is successfully completed. Registration successfully completed. Same thing we need to be changed here. Registration successfully completed. Then later on, I need to be change the color of the text. Okay. Then I need to be change the color as well. Okay. Once this is the screen, when you are able to display here, whenever you are able to log in first time, then automatically your registration successfully completed. Then after that, if you want to first time log in, then your record automatically exists, right? At the time also, you can able to log in from here. For that purpose, I'm going to add a one login button. So should we go to the button? Here also you're able to log in. Button name is login button. Get log. Okay. Then is over, right? Same thing, right? We are able to do it. What is the next one? Login screen. Login screen, what are the things are there here? Level up trainings, navigate to career path. Same thing we need to be do same thing. So I will copy from here. These are the three things, right? Copy, select, select, simply control and copy, control C, the new screen. The new screen name is login screen, right? Make it as a login screen, rename it, login screen, and change the color, simply pasted the three controls. Yeah, same. Three controls are came, right? Adjust as per our requirement. Okay, enough. The next one is I want to, when you are going to login screen, should be username and password, right? So I need to be display the username and password. For that purpose, I am going to use the one control. The control name is input text control. See, text input. You can use the text input control. Okay, text input. This is the username. You need to be remove the default value. Make it hint as a username. Make it as a username. Okay, you can change the font size well if required. Okay, then same thing we need to be copy paste for the password as well. Need to be copy paste the password as well. Right. Then remove the by default text, make it password. Okay. Now, so for identification purpose, I need to be add some logos here. For the password, I'm going to use log general. Log general is any log general is there. Bring here. In the adjust as per our okay. Then for password purpose, to key or log something. Key, go for the key. Yeah, key also there. Change. Okay. Now, so what is the fifth one here? Username and password and login button as well. Needs to be set right the one login button. Why? Because this is the login screen, right? Should be given the login screen. Login screen button. So for that purpose, go to button, rename as a login. Rename as a login. Rename as a login. This is the five screens over, right? Five screens, same thing I added here. So the screens are available here. Same thing, get started button, and new employee registration. Then we need to be submit the data. Same thing, this is the we are submitted. Now, for that purpose, when I clicking on this get started button, I want to move the from screen welcome screen to home screen. home screen. For that purpose, what should I do? In order to switch between the welcome screen to home screen, what should I do? On-sale property, go to on-sale property, navigate. I want to navigate from welcome screen to home screen. For that, I need to be use the one function. The function name is navigate function. Click on navigate, navigate. Which screen I need to be go to the home screen, right? Should be go to the right. Then after go to the navigation screen, go to here. Let me check it. When I click on the get started button, it should be moved to the home screen, right? We go to the home screen. See, when I click on get started button, should be go to the this second screen. The second screen is home screen, right? Then when I clicking on the new employee registration, should be go to the sign up screen. Sign up screen. So same thing. What? Tell me anyone. I want to go to the when I clicking on the new employee registration, I need to go to from here to sign up screen. For that purpose, click on the button, navigate, navigate, go to the sign up screen. We sign up. Check now, save it. Now check now. When I clicking on the new employee registration, should be go to the sign up screen. That means username, name, email, password, username and password. Name, email, mobile, username and password. See? Why not coming here? Should be the form. Where is form here? Form. Form has this property. Default mode should be new. Save it. Now, once come here, I need to be submit the data from form to or canvas up to the SharePoint, right? So, in order to inserting the data from canvas up to the SharePoint, we need to be has a some sign up button. So, you need to be sign up the submit the form, right? So, for that purpose, I'm going to click on sign up. Go to the submit form. Submit form. Which form I need to be display? Form 1. Okay. Then after submitting the data or sign up in the data, I need to be get the some notification. For that purpose, I need to go to the form property, and go to the on success property. Then we need to go to here. Navigate to success screen, right? Navigate to success screen. And we need to be notified. What should I notify? Employee registration been completed, comma, which type of notification? Success type of. Okay. Now let me playlist. So I need to be enter the data. Save it. display. Now username. What is the username? Tell me anyone. Ashok. Ashok. File number. Email ID. Rate. Email dot. Username is. And guys, I need to be stated one thing. See, when I'm filling this data, username you are able to see the Ashok only. But if you want to type in the password, should be the dotted line side. In order to showing the dotted lines, should we go to the mode. Okay. Password. Okay, password. Mode. See, mode. When you clicking on the mode, you are able to see the whatever the password you type, you are able to display. But I don't want to show the my password to others. At that time, we go for the password mode property. Click on password and password. Then only you are able to see the dotted lines. That means dots going to display. Now I am going to enter. Okay. Username is Ashok. Password should be dot lines. So I'm going to give password capital S H, okay, at the rate 123. Going to click on sign up. When you clicking on the sign up button, should be inserting the data from here to SharePoint. Check now. Able to get it not. That's it. You are able to get the data from Ashok, from Canvas app to and SharePoint. This is the way you are able to inserting the data from Canvas app to the SharePoint. Once login into the once entering the data from the Canvas app to the SharePoint, we're able to see. Now I want to log in with this credential into the app. See, Ashok username. Username is Ashok. Password is Ashok at the rate 123. Shall we log in with these credentials? Once enter into the save it. Okay. We need to be form this reset. Set cancel property. Set form. What is the form? Form 1, right? Now I need to go to one more. Nikhil. Nikhil. While okay. Ask for this. The employee registration has been completed successfully. This stage successfully completed. Now, already I entered in the Nikhil, right? Now, from there, I want to log in. Click on. So, why you are unable to move the from login button? When I go for the login button, we forward the navigate to the login button, login screen. So, when you go select the login screen and go to answer a property, select the navigate function, go to the login screen. Okay. Now, save it, save it. So, click on login. Then we're able to come here. So, what are the data is available here? Varma, Ashok, and Nikhil. So, I will try to log in with Nikhil now. The Ashok. Ashok username, password is at the Ashok at the rate 123. Visual for try to log in with this. Okay. Already exist one, right? AS Ashok. Password is rate 123 password. Now I want to display the data means first we go for the this one answer property. Navigate to success screen, right? Navigate to success screen. Then we go for the success screen. Under the success screen, I need to display here. Now what should I do here? Login. Login has been completed successfully. Okay. Then what is the reason error getting? Anyone? Why getting error? Anyone? Remove the double quotes. Here already double quotes is the right. Then save it. Login has been successfully. Form also needs to be changed. Not no. Okay. Save it. Now play in so the login has been completed successfully. In this way, we are able to create login with help of username and password. See, now to the first option, play, get started, new employee registration done, existing means when I clicking on the existing, I want to go to the login screen. For that purpose, I need to be navigate from here to here. So go to the existing screen. Navigate to the login screen. Existing. Then it automatically came into the so in order to entering the data, you should be give the some formula. PowerFX formula. What is the PowerFX formula? See, I told you one thing is go for the login option and on select property. Then I have a one function. See this one. Copy, accept. Okay. Final 5 minutes we close. Click on select property. So first I need to be copy this value. Copy this value. Text input one. One is text input underscore one, right? You go. Anyone give the explain why you getting error here? Anyone? See. First, if is empty means nothing but is not empty. Go to filter. What is one registered employee means? Our SharePoint list name. Then I go for the SharePoint list name. Username. What is the username? Text input text. Wherever entering your data, that the input name is text input dot text. We're going to give the text only, right? Then same thing. Register employee password. What is the password here? Password column name is input text name is password input text name is text input. See, go for same thing. Then first option is username. Username input text value this one. Text input dot text. Then same employee password is where it is available here. Text input dot text one. Then if your username and password accepted, then now go to success screen. If not, notify the please enter the valid username and password. That is the it's not a success screen, it will be error screen. Then after that, reset the input text one and reset the input text one. So why getting error? You need to be remove the these two values. You remove. Why getting same error again?
capital letter than the text.
You're missing the capital T, right? Text. See? Now, understand this one. Simple thing is, this is the registered employee is our list name. Now, username. Username means wherever entering the username, that is the value. That is the user text input. Text input value. This one. See, the password is the text input value here. If it is successfully same thing you are entering, now go to successful. If not, please enter the username and password valid one. Okay. If not entering the, those are not accepting the SharePoint list, not accepted. Showing the username password should be valid one. See, I'm going to do David Ashok, right? Password is right. See, logins has been successfully completed. See, I'm trying to. I don't want to give the Ashok completely. ASH. Okay. I'm entering the wrong information. How should be? Is successfully coming or showing the please enter the valid input username password. Tell me anyone. Simply click on login. See, please enter the valid username and password. Why? Because you are entering is incorrect one. So one more thing is anyone Varma. ARMA. Varma also there. AR. Red one. See, can't log. Login successfully completed. Try again. ARM. AR. Red one. Valid username password. Why? Because Varma at rate 123 name is Varma. Ashok. Nikhil. Like this. This is the way you are able to access the your data from entering your username and password. Clear? Clear? How to log in with your application with help of username and password. By using username and password, how to entering your credentials to your app. Welcome screen, home screen, setup, sign up screen, success screens, login. Okay. Get started. Registration. We can give the get started button. Registration. Invoice is entered. What? We'll start again from starting. Finally, we'll try again. It's a minute. Not here. I will log in from. Yes, Srinivas, you are not coming. I tried here. Huh? Yes, let me try again quickly. Shall I do or close it? You understanding, right, guys? Hello?
Yes, yes, Salman.
Yes,
We got it.
yes.
Shall I do or you are able to understand?
I got it. I got
Got it, right? You know, right, how to reset, how to log in with username and password? Okay, okay. If not, you know, right, already I created, right? Just I tried last time. Registration, registration has been completed. Then again, okay, login. Again, login here. What is the password, capital or small? Okay. Your wrong password should be showing. I don't use username. Passport. 1 minute, Srinivas. We'll close it quickly. Once log in with your credentials, then we'll close it. Okay. Maybe you are a festival mode. Huh? Restart again. Restart. I needs to be logged in with your credentials. Correct, Srinivas. Maybe former is coming correct or not.
With the issue with some formula only. Formula fix formula.
Right? Okay. Um, same. If you are facing any error, formula, Srinivas, able to see your error because now here I needs to be changed from the 7 you need to give the here and able to I mean then you are able to see the and log in into the screen. We'll see, check it in this one. Uh, registration successfully. Okay. This is the way we are able to do it. Okay. Okay. Okay, Srinu Nikhil.
Yeah, got it.
Okay.
Almost. Thank you.
This is the way we're able to log in with your credentials with your username and password. Okay. Yeah, 3 classes completed. I will give the assignment share to the Harish. He will transfer to you. Okay.
Okay, Hanuman. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay. You are available till end of the class. Okay. We'll share the details to the Harish. He will transfer to you. Bye. Happy Diwali. Nice day.
Wish you the same, Hanuman. Bye.